Hello friends, how are you? I hope you are all fine and enjoying your good health. Guys, first of all, I would like to introduce you my YouTube channel. In my YouTube channel, you can see 100 of new and trendy short haircuts, short hairstyles, bob haircuts, pixie haircuts, new haircut, hair dye coloring ideas, and you can see 100 of beautiful and stylish short haircut for oval face, round face, square face, and you can know about the latest and trendy haircuts through my videos. Guys, if you are a fashion lover and you want to know about the latest and trendy haircuts, you can subscribe my YouTube channel. Through my videos, you can know about the popular haircuts. In my videos, you can see haircuts for teenager girls, 30 plus women, 40 plus women, 50 plus women, 60 plus women, and older women also. My channel is all about the short haircut, so my videos will be very useful for the ladies who love to cut short haircut. So guys, please watch my video till the end. Today I'm gonna share with you very pretty, very stylish and demanding short haircuts. These haircuts are very popular in nowadays. You can take the screenshot of your favorite haircut and you can also cut such type of amazing haircuts. Guys, I hope you like my videos, so please hit the like button, give me your suggestions, your opinions in comment section. Your opinions and feedback is very important for me. I always try to bring something very special and new for you, and your feedback also encourage me for working more hard. And please share my video with your friends and family group also. I hope they will also like and enjoy my video. This video is very useful for the women who always want to look very pretty and amazing in different types of short haircuts. Guys, these all haircuts are very pretty and always give a very charming look to you. You can do such type of amazing short haircuts. You can look very pretty in your offices, in your parties. They always look stunning and very gorgeous. These are especially for the women who have not enough time for long hairs. They can cut their hair short and they can save their time and they can look very pretty in such type of amazing and beautiful short haircuts. Guys, you can also take the ideas of hair dye colors. These are hair dye colors are very popular in nowadays. You can also do your hair's color by watching my video. All are very fabulous and all are very charming. You can see bob haircuts, pixie haircuts, curly haircuts. All haircuts look amazing. You can also know about what type of haircuts your face can suit for oval face, round face, and square face. So you can adapt your haircut according to your face cut also. Guys, I again request you, please subscribe my channel for more amazing and beautiful short haircuts, and share my video with your friends and family group also. Guys, in all my videos you can know about the trendy and popular hairstyles. If you want to know about the haircuts for different age groups, you can tell me in comment section. In my videos you can see different types of haircuts, different for age group of ladies, different types of ladies, for office going ladies, for party goings. All are Haircuts are very pretty. All are very amazing and always give a very pretty and stunning look to you. Take care of yourself and your family. Keep watching my videos. Goodbye till the next video.